Hey everybody, Jordan Yates here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, which is going to be a demo of the Niyro Ned collaborative robot. I'm really excited after doing the unboxing video because guys, this Cobot is so cool and my friend helped me program just a little motion to show you what he's capable of. We have the gripper here. So the end of arm tooling is actually extremely easy to connect. All we did was literally push it in and plug it in. Like, the plug and play aspect is ridiculously good. So we did a quick code and we're just gonna show you what it would be like if maybe it were doing a pick and place demo on a conveyor. Unfortunately, we don't have the conveyor, but you'll get the idea. So stay tuned and we'll show you the program real soon. So here we're gonna look at the overview of the software. And I'm just gonna scroll through the code really fast that we're going to be implementing through the video. If you guys have questions about the actual code, please comment, but look, this is the robot in real time. Okay, so our first step, we're going to calibrate the robot. It told us calibration needed. Clearly, it needs to find its home position. We're using the Niyro software to do all of this. It's pretty simple for the most part, but I would say definitely lean on some instructions or tutorials. I don't want to get into that today. I just want to show you guys the hardware because software is, not as much my thing. So let's look at the hardware aspects. And if you have questions about the software, please feel free to reach out. Okay, so the robot has been calibrated and now it's in its position. We're going to twist him around so you guys can get a better view. Now we have a pre-written code, so what we're going to do is we're just going to press play and we're going to let you watch it run through. Alright, so here it goes. We are running the program. As you can see, it is just opening and closing the end effector. I think this will be fun. Let's see if it can grab this. Ready? Come on, can you grab it? Oh, isn't that fun? Give it back. Thank you. I'm gonna give you guys a closer up view. I just wanted to be a part of it for a second, but don't worry, you're gonna get a zoomed in version of everything that's going on, so just hang tight. But in the meantime, how cool is this? I am obsessed. It's so cool. Guys, thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this quick demo of our Niyro Ned collaborative robot. And if you enjoyed this and you want to see more stuff like it, let me know in the comments below. But in the meantime, thank you so much. And if you would, please like and subscribe. See you next time.